Daddy! Today is the day. I know. It's always your dream to walk me down the aisle. But I know you're very proud of me, and I know that you'll be walking me down the aisle in spirit. Thank you for all the lessons, all the teachings you've taught me since I'm little, and I promise you, these teachings and learnings will be passed on to my future children. Love you, Daddy. When I lost Daddy, I feel like I lost everything. And every day until today, you would always make sure to honor him, to always remind me he is with me, patiently listening to my never-ending stories about him. And I know for sure right now, he's proudly looking at us and how far we've come.
Welcome to the new chapter of our life, ha? Islan mo na yung mga apelyido. Castillo na.
Thank you for all your sacrifices. Especially since wala na si Daddy. Ikaw na lang. Thank you for always being around, for always being so supportive.
Stella, 7 years ago, I met you. I was lost, broke, and hopeless. 7 years seems to be 20 years of togetherness. Daig pa natin ang matagal na mag-asawa dahil sa mga experiences and struggle na nadaanan natin. I still remember the days that we are both unemployed. Mahirap pero masaya. I remember those days na kahit pamasahe papunta sa tinitiran mo, wala ako. Regalo sa birthday mo, di ko mapagbigay. You still believe in me. Trust me, kahit na yung buong tao sa paligid ko, wala nang believe sa akin. I will never forget the day na you offered to me to sell your dad's gift, yung watch na binigay niya sa'yo, para mabayaran yung mga utang ko.
Yeah. 7 years, and here we are at last. I don't know how to put into words our beautiful love story. We met at a very strange time in our lives. I remember our dates would usually be us buying isaw or burgers at a nearby burger machine stand near my dorm, and we'd talk about our dreams and future plans. Who would have thought? Those two dreamers are here in front of our Lord, our family and loved ones, finally getting married.
Mama, don't cry.
Cause I don't feel much like me. I don't feel.
Thank you, honey, for all your sacrifices, patience, and most especially for believing in my ability. Kung wala ka, hindi ko alam kung nasan ako ngayon. You are the best decision I made in my life. Who would have thought we made this far? From a broke and hopeless guy 7 years ago to marrying the love of his life.
We started very young. And both of us, syempre, parang confused pa kung which path to take, which career to take. And then, who would have thought?
Kasama kayo together.
Malayo pa sa our dream, but almost there.
I don't feel much like
Yeye, you've been with me through highs and lows, even during the darkest phase in my life. All the bad, all the topak, all the crying just because of the simplest things, you've embraced all of me. The maingay, the madaldal, makakalimutin, tarantahin, everything. I can't imagine how you were able to handle it all, but here we are.